We have a third-party filter in here that only retails for about 30 bucks rather than the 60 that Levoit offers. It does smell similar. The only way to result is if the filter itself has dust on it, like the original. Let's check. So I had this in here for about, I'd say, a week. We will check this out in about a month or so. So far I don't see dust on the outside layer. And it is definitely like a lot more see-through. I don't know if you could tell. Alright, so obviously this is a lot more dirty than the new filter, so it's a little bit hard to see. Looks like it's the same height. You can see it right there. It looks like it's the exact same height. Filter itself, same height, same size. Like if you stack them like this, they're the same size. The only thing is obviously it doesn't have the Levoit branding here. It doesn't have that etched in on the top or bottom. The jawstrings, this is the original right here. A lot more secure. These ones are thinner, but they're longer, which are easier to actually pull out. Unlike these ones, like the Levoit one actually has tinier ones. So if you had bigger fingers, you wouldn't be able to get it in there. I have kind of small, skinny fingers, and I could barely even fit it in. These ones actually are more comfortable. So the third party actually improved it slightly. It seems to be working pretty good. This one obviously has been used for about over a year. If you clean it every so often with a vacuum or air duster, you can hit it with that. And let me just go ahead and show you here. Alright, so that's what that looks like so far. Crazy dirty. Obviously you don't want to open filters and stuff because there's like germs and all that in there. So it's a very thin layer. Alright, so that's the second layer, and the third layer is the carbon layer. It looks like it's just actual carbon. So I'm gonna grab one. Here we go. So it's like chalk. Chalk. There's little like spots, but it's very see-through in person. Levoit is actually completely dark, and it was like that since day one. So even when you have a brand new filter, it's not gonna like that. Easy to remove. It's about the same weight as well. But if you absolutely need a good quality filter or different types of filters, Levoit is the way to go when it comes to allergies or smoke specific type filters. They do have multiple options available because they have 4 filters in total. Obviously some of them actually do a little bit better than the other filters like this. So, but for the standard filter, this one definitely is way better so far in terms of price per unit. Because technically you could buy 2 of those instead of getting 1 of these per year. Without further ado, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe for more videos just like this. It'll really help out my channel a lot. Drop a like if you have found this useful. And I'll see you guys in the next one. We out.